Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about the different topics related to the project management, in which first we will explain the concept of the project. The word project is explained by the different scholars and the different authors and the different managers in a different way. However, the central idea remains the same. The project is a sequence of unique, complex, and connected activities having one goal that must be completed within a specific time and budget and according to specification. It means in a project there are number of activities are involved and these activities will be performed in a proper order for the achievement of the target. And when we will perform these activities, we will also mention the time limit, the cost that involve in the completion of these activities and what we are going to perform. Further, the project is a set of interrelated tasks to be executed over a fixed period of time and within certain costs and limitations. This is also defined as the project is a temporary set of activities because the activities will be finished after the completion of the project. That's why the word temporary is used. The project is a temporary set of activities with a specific starting and ending dates. Specific goals and conditions, define responsibilities and budget and participation of multiple parties. It is also explained as the project is a set of temporary efforts within a well-defined beginning and ending points, usually with the time and cost constraints to get deliverables or expected output. These are the features of the project that is driven from the definitions of the project. First one, this is the set of activities. The project is not a single activity, but this is the group of the different activities that are interrelated. The second is the specific starting and specific ending point. We know that from where the project will start and what step we will take for the completion of this project. Also, the time factor is involved. We will mention that this project will be completed in that particular period of time, that is in years, in months, or in weeks, or in days, or in hours. It will also be mentioned. However, if the project is longer, that is required to complete in months or in the years, we will break down it. The breakdown of the work we will discuss in the next coming lectures. Furthermore, this is also the goals oriented approach. We are not doing or we are not performing the activity without the setting of the goal. What we want to achieve in this project, it will be clearly mentioned. This is the teamwork and required the sound and efficient management. A single man cannot perform all of the activities. So there will be a group or team will be required and its efficiency and its working and its good management will be needed for the achievement of the target. The efficient and effective resource utilization. Resources are the financial resources. Resources are the human resources, the labor that is required. In financial resources, the money that is required, and the technical resources, all of the equipment and the machinery that is required for the completion or the achievement of that particular project. Feasibility study or the pilot study is the basics of the project. When we want to start the project, we check whether this particular project will be feasible from the financial point of view, from the economic point of view, from societal point of view, from political point of view. All of these aspects will be checked. If the project is looking viable, feasible, or suitable from all these aspects, then we will start the project. The budget specification is also the basic requirement in which we will decide how much cost will be required for the completion of each and every activity and in the completion of the overall project, and what are the various sources through we will generate the fund. Flexibility in overall working, because there is a lot of risk factors are involved in our working. If the project is longer, the risk factor is higher. We will assess what types of risks are involved in and in what degree. The economic risk, the political risk, inflation risk are the very common risks that we are facing in the different projects. So we should be flexible in our overall project planning. That's why we will be successful. The efficient and effective communication among all the departments and among all of the employees is the key to success in the project. So these were the features of the project. In the upcoming lectures, inshallah, we will discuss the functions of the project management life cycle, feasibility study, risk assessments, and all other important points and the topics related with the project management. If you like it, please share it and also tell in your comments about my lecture on the project management. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.